Namaste, hello and welcome back to the channel Learn German with Aditi. This is Aditi. So today's video is going to be quite long because in this video I have explained you each and everything in detail related to this topic. So I will recommend you to grab any tea, coffee or any beverage which you like so that you won't get bored and enjoy this video peacefully. So our today's topic is professions in German. Professions are called der Beruf in German language. Today we will learn all the words like teacher, doctor, lawyer, employee, judge. Yes, and I want you to have paper pencil with yourself so that you can jot down every word which comes up and remember it well afterwards. Before that, if you haven't seen my previous video where I have taught greetings in German language, I will provide you the link in my description box. Do check that out. So I have categorized this topic in two terms, masculine and feminine. For masculine, the article is der, and for feminine, the article is die. Using article is mandatory. So the first word is teacher. Male teacher is called as der Lehrer, and female teacher is called as die Lehrerin. Okay. Our next word is doctor. Male doctor is called as der Arzt, and female doctor is called as die Ärztin. There will be umlaut on A. Our next word is driver. Male driver is called as der Fahrer, and female driver is called as die Fahrerin. You just have to add IN for female profession. Our next word is cook. Male cook is called as der Koch, and female cook is called as die Kochin. Our next word is singer. Male singer is called as der Sänger. There will be umlaut on A. And female singer is called as die Sängerin. Our next word is photographer. Male photographer is called as der Fotograf, and female photographer is called as die Fotografin. Our next word is dancer. Male dancer is called as der Tanzer, and female dancer is called as die Tanzerin. Our next word is actor. Male actor is der Schauspieler, and female actor is called as die Schauspielerin. Our next word is waiter. Male waiter is called as der Kellner, and female waiter is called as die Kellnerin. Our next word is baker. Male baker is called as der Baker, and female baker is called as die Bäckerin. Our next word is journalist. Male journalist is called as der Journalistin, and female journalist is called as die Journalistin. Our next word is employee. Male employee is called as der Angestellte, and female employee is called as die Angestellten. Our next word is engineer. Male engineer is called as der Ingenieur, and female engineer is called as die Ingenieurin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to appreciate this video. Thanks for watching my video. I will meet you in my next video with an amazing topic. Till then, auf Wiedersehen. Take care.